Oh, this looks like the Medusa jelly that we saw earlier in the expedition. Yeah, that's a gorgeous zoom in.
I wonder if that's a broken tentacle or if it's caught something.
Yeah, at the bottom. I don't know.
Maybe it got injured when predating on something.
Its tentacles also look a little frayed in a way. So I'm curious if that has something to do with it.
Oh, is that an octopus? Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute! I think I've seen...
No, there's two! Yeah, they're
Yeah,
Dumbos.
the Dumbo octopus! Oh my gosh! Oh man.
Yeah, it might be that they're just kind of trying to sit on the bottom. When they, if one were to take off, it'll probably have more of the mantle above it versus just being a blob.
Oh man, that's so just funny how they flatten to the surface.
So these are commonly called Dumbo octopus because they have their fins look like little ears that they sometimes will flap. I'm not sure of the species. I'm not sure of the species of these, but they are our first sighting of this type of octopus since this expedition started.
Chris Moss saying that their common name is the flapjack devilfish.
And Annie Lindgren is going to work on a species for us while we take a closer look.
Oh great! Oh, they're so wrinkly. That's so funny. Yeah, it does look like it's melting.
Actually, this one we can't really see its eyes either.
Huh.
Oh, are they?
I'm not sure. Very strange, yeah. And it looks like the Dumbo octopus is the deepest living genus of all known octopuses. Oh, wow.
Yeah, the eyes are squeezed shut right in front of the fins, said Annie.
Oh, okay, so those
they are
like
the eyes.
those like white
Yeah.
kind of rims. Oh, when it moves around, it looks extremely octopus-like. But beforehand, I don't know.
So they do have, even though their like skirt is kind of attached around the tentacles, they do have 8 arms. These ones just aren't as pronounced as some of the others that we've seen where they really will stretch their whole arm out. These have more of a cute little skirt.
Do they have a Oh, yeah, they do have tentacles. You can kind of see.
So they're
that's
actually
cool.
arms. So octopuses have 8 arms.
Okay.
But underneath, when we could kind of see it come up, you can see the suckers.
Oh, the suckers. That was the
line.
word.
And that's the siphon on the back.
Oh, yeah.
So that's how the octopus will bring water in and out. Oh, who do we have?
Mike Vecchione here.
Yay! Hi, Mike.
Hi, and Chris was right. These are called flapjack devilfish. It's the genus Opisthotuthis.
That's great.
I think it's Opisthotuthis californiana.
Yes.
I haven't
wow.
actually looked in the literature to check, but what I think is really remarkable here is that there were 2 of them at the same time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen that
Yeah,
before,
usually
Mike?
you see them one at a time. Well, I've seen places where serrate octopods were there were high concentrations of them, so it's not unheard of, but it is remarkable to see them together like that.
And are you
Well,
aware of
there was
their
one
kind
larger
of normal
than the other.
depth range? We're at around 800 meters right now.
Yeah, that's the kind of depth I would expect to see these at.
Great. Thank you
Interesting.
for calling in.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, well, I couldn't resist. Annie contacted me, and so I decided to see if you were answering the phone today. I tried to call earlier in the cruise, and nobody picked up the phone.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, yeah.
We might have had
some really nice footage of these.
We might have been on an engineering dive before, but we are in full science mode now. So we're glad you called in. And if you have any other facts or observations that you'd like to make about this type of octopus, we'd love to hear them.
Well, if you zoom in on Opisthotuthis, you'll see there's some spots that go along the arms and then up onto the head and even onto the mantle. And the actual function of those isn't known. But I suspect that they let light in under the skin, and the tissue underneath the skin is really transparent and might actually transmit the light to the eyes where it's picked up and the animal can detect shadows and such in the environment around it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, interesting.
But those little spots on the arms and up to onto the head are characteristic of the genus.
Okay.
Interesting.
I've dissected specimens looking for a structure underneath those the spots, and there's nothing there. It's just a place where there's no pigment in the skin, so it's sort of a window through the skin.
Oh,
Wow,
that's really
okay.
strange.
And do they normally have their
Okay,
eyes
I think
kind of
that's,
pulled in
optional.
like this?
I think it's responding to the light of the sub. When we first started doing subdives and seeing serrate octopods, it was really surprising that they could almost blink. They can contract the eyelid into a really tight circle around the eye, or relax it so that the eye looks really big. But I think it's reacting to the light of the sub.
Okay. I mean, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But it's also surprising. I agree. It's surprising that they can retract their eye or extend their eyelid like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can see how gelatinous the tissue under the skin is, just because of the waves that are going through the skin as a result of probably from prop wash from the sub.
Yeah.
Yeah.